Hello everybody, welcome back to The Life's Good. I'm AJ. This is my channel and I'm currently in my little den in the dull and dismal, dreary, cold, wintry Northumberland region of the UK. I often get asked, what is your channel about? What is it all about? What do you specialize in? Now that is a very difficult question for me to answer. If some of you were around when I started my YouTube videos quite a few years ago now, you will obviously be aware that I used to have a very large vegetable and fruit garden, a greenhouse, a little workshop, ornamental gardens, and even kept chickens in a lovely chicken house, and we have fresh eggs and all that go along with that. I also like producing my own chutney and jam, beers and wines, and all manner of other wonderful things. My channel started as a gardening channel, but it became obvious that there were so many other things that sort of were linked to that it seemed the right idea to share all of that with all of you. Several of my friends and family members said, AJ, you need to be showing people this. You need to show how you do this and how you do that and how you grew this and how you grew that. So the channel, The Life's Good, is basically about, I suppose, me having a good life and doing the things I enjoy doing, but at the same time sharing that with all of you. So it's not a channel about homebrew and beer making and alcohol. It's not a channel about growing and plants and gardening and everything that entails. And it's not about cooking and making jam and making chutney, and it's not about all the other things that I include in this channel, or on this channel I should say, and share with all of you. Now over the years, I'm sure some of you are aware that life hasn't exactly been smooth for me, and I don't want to dwell on all the ups and downs that have happened, but I no longer have that large garden, the chicken house and the greenhouse and the big kitchen and all the other things I had previously. But I still have my YouTube channel. And I enjoy making these videos and I enjoy sharing things with you guys. So over the years, things have changed quite dramatically. And I suppose the home brew, making beer at home, was one of the things that I could continue with, having gone through all the things I was going through for a few years. I came back and one of the first things I was able to do was to get back to my home brew. I've also recently been making chutneys from produce that other people have given me and that my new partner Jane and I have foraged during walks and visits to other people. So my channel doesn't really have a subject per se. It's not, as I say, gardening, brewing, cooking, whatever. It's all the things that I enjoy in my good life, I suppose. The life's good. So I just wanted to explain, for those new on board, some people have subscribed to the channel because they like the homebrew aspect, and then they find I'm talking about something else and they say, well, are you going to be doing more homebrewing? Are you going to do this? Are you going to do that? I don't know what I'm going to be doing from one minute to the next, because whatever I'm doing this week or next week is what I'm sharing with you guys. Now, as I've already touched on, the weather has been absolutely shocking. As you're aware, I have a new partner, Jane, and her father has a large garden that hasn't been touched for a few years, and towards the end of last year I was able to start tidying up and organising on that plot. because of this bad weather, I haven't been able to return to that correctly as yet, but I will be. So once that kicks in, there will be a lot more how-to with regard to the gardening aspect, how I grow my vegetables, how I grow food and produce in containers. And presumably at some point I'll be showing you what I do with that produce, i.e. chutneys or jams or anything else that I think might be of interest. So when the garden is more active, or I'm active in the garden, then I will be taking you guys along with me, and we'll be back onto a garden and we'll be doing that. In the meantime, I'm dwelling on the homebrew, which I have been today. I've got a cheeky little cider on the go here actually. This is the very last few. I've got about a pint and a half left, I think. This is the last of my homebrew cider, and drink to your good health. Thank you for listening and watching. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that the Life's Good is not all about one particular subject. It's all the things I enjoy doing in life, and indeed now that I have Jane as a companion, some of the things that we get up to together. And like last time, at the end of this video, I'm going to pop on a little 2-minute sort of artistic thing of what we were up to last weekend. We were away for the weekend. We were actually house sitting for Jane's daughter while they went away. So whilst we were in that area, we took the opportunity to go out for a walk on a day when it wasn't actually pouring with rain. So we were quite fortunate, although it was cold and it was windy. We had a lovely day out. So at the end of this video, there's a little clip just to show you what we were up to on that day, and some scenic views and pictures of where we went and where we visited. I think it was last Sunday. It might have been last Sunday. So yeah, I mean, I appreciate everybody tuning into my channel, watching everything I do, but I have had lots of questions from people who said, well, I was expecting more of this, I was expecting more of that, or aren't you doing this anymore, aren't you doing that anymore? So I just wanted to explain a little bit that the Life's Good is a bit of an umbrella over a variety of subjects that I enjoy, and indeed Jane enjoys, and it's just nice to share it with all of you. Now when we get back to the gardening aspect, I've got loads of experience, ideas and information in relation to that, and I will be making videos and filming what I get up to in that plot, on the plot, Jane's father's plot. On that note, I would just like to say my thoughts are with Jane's dad, Paul. He's not particularly well at the moment. The family are doing their best to rally round and support him and his wife and everyone else that's involved. But yeah, just a thought about Paul, bless him, because it would be so lovely if he could see what I achieve with that garden. But I can't do anything on there at the moment. So today I'm making beer. I showed you those 2 beer kits last week or a week ago or so. I've actually sterilized my buckets, or in the process of sterilizing, and once they are ready, I'm going to be making up the 2 Cooper's kits that I showed you, and hopefully in a couple of weeks time they will be going in a keg and very nearly ready for drinking. So look, I just wanted to explain a few things. It's difficult. It's difficult. I found it difficult. I went through some hard times. I was absent from the channel for a little while. I've come back and I'm doing my utmost to get back into it. It is an outlet for me. It does help me in many ways, and sharing what I do with you guys feels good. I enjoy it. And if you've got any thoughts or comments, any feedback you want to share with me, I would welcome that. I do like getting the comments, as I've already said. It's nice to have communication from the people that actually take the time to watch my videos. So I've been rambling on a bit today. I do appreciate your support. I do appreciate you watching my videos. And hopefully if what I share is of any benefit to you guys, that would be nice to hear. And hopefully I'll be getting busy and getting more things together and sharing more with you guys over the coming weeks and months. So thank you for your time. You all take care. If you haven't already, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and follow the channel, as I'm now on another chapter and moving forward and hopefully having a lot more enjoyable videos and fun and games and all the things that I get up to and sharing them with you guys. So I'll leave you with that little clip of what we're up to last weekend, and I will be back soon, I hope, weather permitting, with who knows what. It could be homebrew, it could be making something in the kitchen, or it could be a little bit of preparation in the polytunnel and on the garden. Stick around, and thanks for your support. Like, subscribe, as I said, and whatever you're doing, you stay safe, stay warm, look after each other, be happy, and please come back and see us again soon. You all take care now. Bye bye. See you soon. Ta-da.